Good morning, North Oldham High School. I am Lori Link, Guidance Counselor for students' last names A through G.
I'm Christy Sikora, Guidance Counselor for students' last name H through N.
And I'm Victoria Ahrens, Guidance Counselor for students with last names O through Z.
We are here this morning to introduce ourselves to you as well as address some important topics. We recognize that our students are valuable and important. In fact, you are the Commonwealth's most important asset each year. We know that many of you students your age deal with sadness, depression, and thoughts of suicide. We would like to share with you some of the signs and symptoms of depression and how to help yourself, your friends, and family members, or anyone else who may be experiencing or dealing with signs of depression.
Depression is more than sadness. People who are depressed feel down or sad and are not interested in the activities they usually enjoy. Other symptoms than a depressed teen may experience include feeling more irritable or angry than usual, losing or gaining a significant amount of weight or dramatic appetite change, having trouble sleeping or sleeping too much, not having any energy, and feeling worthless or guilty. If you are experiencing any of these signs or know someone else that is, please let an adult know. It is important to begin getting help as soon as possible. Just as we have resources in our community to support us when we have an illness like strep throat or a broken bone or academic difficulties, we have resources in our school and in our community to support students who are touched by experiences with sadness, anxiety, depression, or suicide. We encourage you to come see us if you need to talk about your concerns that you have.
Thank you for being respectful with each other about these topics. While you may have not had any personal experience with this, the person next to you may have. Our goal today is to provide you with information so that you know the supports for yourself or someone else, and to offer private follow-up conversations for any student. Your teacher will now hand you two different things. One is a brochure discussing further information from the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline, and the second is an exit slip for each of you to fill out. If you would like to talk to someone today about yourself, a friend, a family member, or someone that you're concerned about immediately, please provide your name and check the yes box on your piece of paper. If not, simply check no. You can fold up your slip and simply return them to your teacher in the envelope provided. We will begin talking with students this afternoon. Thank you for your time this morning and have a great rest of your day.